Hi everyone! Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the LAGENIO A11 Pro, a sleek, modern mid-range smartphone with some seriously impressive specs. Inside the box, we get the phone itself, charger, USB cable, and a user manual. First impressions? The design is slim, stylish, and modern. The A11 Pro has a sleek look with a 90% screen-to-body ratio on its 6.7-inch HD plus in-cell display, making it immersive for videos and gaming. Slim and lightweight, perfect for everyday use. This phone is powered by 24 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM, offering smooth performance even with heavy apps. Its 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming ultra smooth. With a 5150 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 900 hours of standby or 6.5 hours of continuous video or gaming. The 50MP rear camera and 8MP AI front camera deliver sharp, vibrant photos. AI features help enhance shots for better selfies and low-light photos. LAGENIO has over 15 years of experience as an OEM/ODM supplier. Now, with its own brand, it brings high-performance smartphones at an affordable price. The A11 Pro is a standout mid-range phone. Slim, stylish, fast, and long-lasting. Right now, with an extra €40 discount, the final price is just €149. It supports global frequency bands, perfect for international travel. Stay connected anywhere without compatibility issues. Overall, the LAGENIO A11 Pro offers top-notch performance, long battery life, and stunning design at a very accessible price. Like, subscribe, and check it out through the link below the video in the description box.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.